Hi guys, thanks for tuning back in. So if you do have an airbag light on your McLaren and you've been maybe looking for a diagnostic tool to reset this or diagnose this yourself and you've maybe been struggling, well, this is the tool that you need. I'm going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. There really is nothing else out there other than taking it to a garage like an official main dealer or an authorized repairer for McLaren vehicles. But now we've got software which can hook up to McLaren vehicles. So if you've got an airbag light or any other light, to be honest with you, then this tool will do it for you. So I'll just pop that there for a second. I'll just click onto manual selection. I've got to be careful because I've got this kind of propped up so it doesn't fall over, so I don't want to press it too hard in case it falls over. So let's say as an example, we'll just go to, I don't know, these are the McLarens that it covers. Let's show you them by there. So I don't know, let's say 650S, just as an example, 2018, and we'll go OK. And then we go into control unit, and this is what allows us to see all of the systems. So if you had an airbag fault, then you go ORC, Occupant Restraint Controller. That's the airbag system in McLaren vehicles. But you can see it covers a lot of other systems as well for the McLaren vehicles. But like I say, once you click into this, it'll give you, you can look at live data, you can look at unique fault codes, you can look at the description of the fault and maybe find out a little bit more about why the airbag light is on. If you want to do the repair yourself, then you could do that and then do the reset yourself instead of having to send it off to a garage. Sometimes you might have to spend a few weeks, get it trailered somewhere, which is not ideal. But it puts the power into your own hands. So we do sell these to McLaren owners and even garages and workshops who have never previously had access to McLaren software. Well, this tool gives them the power now to be able to work on McLaren vehicles. But I'll leave that information with you. Like I say, I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. It's a fantastic package, and if you've got any questions as well, I'll pop the email address in there as well. We do offer free UK delivery, worldwide dispatch, and same-day dispatch as well. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then by all means have a look at the kit in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.